Let the feast begin.
8 new teams of the world's best bakers have arrived to celebrate the world of Harry Potter,
This is like a dream come true.
embarking on their own magical adventure.
Welcome to the Night Bus. We will be your conductors for the evening.
This legendary competition will take place within the breathtaking original sets of the Harry Potter films.
Is anyone over there even a Ravenclaw?
So you're that kind of Slytherin.
As the teams create edible masterpieces inspired by the wizarding world.
Wow.
Each one as delicious as it is enchanting.
Lovely sheen on that chocolate. That's tempering at its best.
The path to victory will be perilous
Please, please, please don't crack.
and filled with twists, turns, and mischief.
We solemnly swear that we've been up to no good.
What's happening?
That's just evil.
The teams will need to create magical showpieces in order to impress our ministers of baking.
That's nasty.
Oh, that is banging.
Guys, I'm talking with my mouth full because this is so good.
Only the greatest will rise to the challenge and reach the grand finale,
We have to win. I want to win, but we have to win.
where just one team will write their names into Harry Potter history.
The Harry Potter Wizards of Baking champions are